The Hon&Guan 3-inch duct fan is a highly efficient inline fan designed for ventilation systems requiring high pressure and efficiency, making it ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, grow tents, and 3D printers. With a power range of 25 to 29 watts and a speed range of 2550 to 2750 RPM, this fan offers adjustable performance to suit your needs. Despite its power, the fan operates quietly with a noise level of only 21 to 26 decibels, ensuring a peaceful environment. The fan is lightweight and durable, thanks to its ABS plastic blade material, and is designed to last for over 50,000 hours. The fan offers ease of installation and maintenance, with a design that allows for the motor to be rotated for connection in confined spaces and removed for maintenance without having to remove the entire fan or duct. At a price of $44.99 and with a review score of 4.2 based on 357 reviews, the Hon&Guan 3-inch duct fan offers great value for its cost.